Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha, and this is my first episode of 2021. Yay! I just want to give some quick channel updates, things that I've been thinking about, working on, just to keep you guys in the know, let you know what's going on. Due to my work schedule and just the immense pressure I was putting on myself by posting a tutorial every week, I'm thinking about cutting back to making a food tutorial every other week. I do want to continue posting content every week. What I've been thinking about doing is I really liked vlogging at Christmas time, and I liked those more casual videos where I just sat and kind of chatted with you guys about, my Christmas gifts and stuff. I thought that was really fun to do. I'd never done that before. So I'm currently on a health and wellness and weight loss journey, and I'm thinking about maybe once a month doing a video about that. Just kind of a way for me to talk about my journey, what things have been working for me, what things haven't been working for me. I hope you guys will follow along with that as well as my other Disney content. I know that I am participating in another swap in February, and I love all the swaps in December, so if any of you YouTubers out there want to do another swap with me, please let me know. I loved doing it. And then also, we made our 300 subscribers for the new year. Yay! I'm so excited about that. Thank you to all of you for subscribing and watching and participating in my weird little Disney hobby. I love you for it. Thank you. Last Sunday, the Chicago Bears, my football team, were knocked out of the playoffs by the New Orleans Saints. In honor of the New Orleans Saints victory, we are going to make some gumbo inspired by Tiana from Princess and the Frog. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. Let's get started, friends. I didn't realize when starting to make gumbo what a long process it is, but here we go. Started with the prep. I prepped all my veggies. It was green peppers and celery. Just some nice, even diced cuts here. I was super proud of my knife skills. Look at how consistent and clean those cuts are. Chop those up, set those aside, and then I got our onions ready. You know I hate onions, so cheated, bought the pre-cut ones, and seasoned our chicken with Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. Set that aside. Rinsed off our shrimp, let those thaw, sliced up some beef sausages, ready to go. I started prep at 7. It's 7:49. Let's see how long this whole process takes me. In a large saucepan, I put a 1/4 cup of oil, cook those chicken breasts thoroughly. Take those out, then you cook the sausage in the same oil. Take those out, and you're gonna make a roux. So just a little bit of butter, a little bit of flour, whisk all that together. Beautiful, beautiful roux. Adding in our veggies. I cooked the veggies for about 10 minutes, added in the garlic, some Worcestershire sauce, and a lot of that Slap Ya Mama seasoning. Whisk that all together for another 10 minutes until it was nice and thick and delicious looking. Then you're going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth, whisk that all in. Then you're going to add in your chicken and your sausage, give it a nice stir. So it's 8:37. And I am waiting on the gumbo to start boiling so I can reduce it to a simmer and let it simmer for 45 minutes before I go to the next step. Guys, why do I do this? Yikes. Okay, 8:45 and we're boiling! Yay! Oh my gosh, that looks so good. All right, so I am going to reduce this down to a simmer and let it sit for 45 minutes. During this 45-minute wait period, I watched them kill off my favorite character on Chicago Fire, and I cried. Okay, it's 9:32, and I've let it simmer for 45 minutes, and now it is tomato time, and then we're gonna let it simmer for another hour. This is also a good time for me to do a taste test. See if I need any more of the Cajun seasoning or anything. Damn if that's not delicious. Wow. Well, let this sit for an hour and come back and add our scrimps. During this hour of waiting, I decided to work on a craft. I am currently making a wreath for a friend, so I made some ribbon curls for the wreath. 10:35, and we're done with our final simmer, so let's take it off and add our final ingredients. Once your gumbo is done, you're going to toss in your shrimp and your green onions and give everything a nice stir. Don't forget the Tabasco. So I'm going to take a couple quick bites here, just give it a little taste, see if it needs any more hot sauce or anything. And then tomorrow I'm going to fully plate it with some rice and do a full official taste and give my review. It's my bite. I've got a shrimp in there. Let's take a taste. For someone who's never made gumbo before, that is pretty damn delicious. I honestly didn't think I would like this as much as I do. I'm not a big sausage person, but this really came together so well. It tastes amazing. There's so many flavors in it. And like, I can definitely see how this would be really good like comfort food, especially now. It's freezing cold out. This is gonna be dinner for me for the rest of the week. It is so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I did it, yay! So I made myself a little bowl of gumbo with rice, and it smells so good, and we're gonna take an official taste right now. Yeah, this is so good. It was really good last night, but it's also really good today. I'm not a huge fan of sausage, and it tastes so delicious in this gumbo. I hope that I did Tiana proud with this dish. Let me know in the comments, have you had gumbo before? Is this pretty commonplace how I made it? If not, how would you make it? Thank you so much for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a magical day.